Exciting! Exciting!
I don't know what I'm doing. Fear.
Fear. Pure fear. Hey folks, so yes, something a bit different today. We're going to be trying our first ever sort of vlog format.
We don't have a name for it.
Yeah, as of right now, it is unnamed vlog. You kind of get to enjoy my shaky hands. But today, what are we going to be doing?
We have for the first time on the channel, we have Rory the RAV4, my daily.
Yeah.
And we have that because I have made or maybe I'm about to make an impulse decision. Is that we are on our way to somewhere about 15 minutes down the road. And I might have agreed to purchase a near enough full conversion kit for a MR2 Turbo. So I'm buying a 3SGT engine, REV2, and hopefully an E153 gearbox with an LSD. And yeah, so it was an impulse purchase. I don't have. I made the decision within about 12 hours, so I am. I have no room for it. It's going into my bedroom. I'm going to have an engine sat at the end of my bed for a number of months until we start building it. Yeah, the plan was to build it much later on than we are now.
Basically, it was kind of a case that he saw it on the internet at a McDonald's drive-through, because your friend sent it to you, didn't he?
My friend sent it to me. Yeah, he's going to be there with us to look over it. He's an MR2 maestro. He's my sensei. And yeah, he sent it to me on eBay, and it sold.
Yep.
And I was stressing about it, and I messaged the seller and I said, look, if anything changes, I'm down the road, I can pick up in a couple of days. I was like, please let me know, consider me. And he messaged me a couple hours later. Hopefully we're all right, it's genuine. But he said that the person who was going to buy it was made redundant, unfortunately. But then, so he couldn't buy the engine. He didn't want to commit to it because obviously you want to save that cash in that situation. So I'm next in line. I've offered him £1,500 for the lot, which is, if it's right, because it's such a good deal, I'm suspicious. But if it's right, absolute blinder I've had with the gearbox is usually on its own. So fingers crossed, we're all good. So we're gonna head over there in the RAV. Liam's in the BMW. Yeah.
Exciting! Exciting!
I don't know what I'm doing.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, so we're here.
We are here. I'm very nervous. It is a weird garage estate. Waiting for my MR2 Maestro to get here before we have a proper look at it, because I don't trust myself to look at an engine because the engine is made of engine. Yeah, it should be good. So wait a couple more minutes and yeah.
Quite excited.
Yeah.
You've done it.
Yeah, I've just bought an engine with loads of freebies, which is great. Incredibly complete. Has the LSD. It all seems okay, bar maybe the head gasket is not the right one we want. But yeah, so we're just going to try fit it all in the RAV4.
You just bought an MR2 Turbo engine.
Yeah. And
a lid for free.
I've not had the car for a year yet. At this point of filming, I might have by the time we release it. And I bought an engine for it, so.
And bearing in mind, this is us we're talking about. This is us mechanically that we're talking about. Engine swap. Us.
I'm bringing in help. We can't do this alone.
No.
We're going to have help. There will be a man in a lab coat.
Man in a lab coat.
What's going on there?
Yeah, we're just gonna. I don't think you're gonna need the tyre because it's on the pallet, so but you might want to. It might have to go to the side of it, just in case it wants to.
Fuck, I just got pee in my eye right as you start filming me.
Suddenly the back of the RAV4 looks quite small.
Yes.
Up more?
Yep.
Good thing I took the seats out. Nearly forgot to do it for me.
Has it sunk in yet?
No. The suspension sunk.
The suspension sunk, but yeah.
Right.
Thoughts?
Fear.
Fear. Pure fear. You've got an engine, mate.
I do. I don't know what to do with it. That's well, put it in the car in a couple of months.
So yeah, all sorted. So you now got an engine in the back of the Rav.
Yeah, as you can see, the suspension is low.
Very.
Low rider.
Yeah.
It looks a bit cambered actually.
It does.
It does, more than usual at least.
So pretty much the status with this is we've got an engine. It's probably going to be like half a year before even.
Yeah, before it touches the car, it's going to be at least half a year. I need to strip it all, get it on an engine stand, save some money, clean it up, buy some more bits for it probably. Although it looks like most of the stuff I thought we might need is with it. I think there's something I spotted that one.
You got a pretty big bargain there.
It should have been about £3,000. I have my angry MR2 maestro looking at me because I got an absolute bargain. And
Could I get his reaction on camera? What are your opinions on it?
He's really cheeky.
I got a free engine lid as well for a turbo because I need a new turbo on. It needs respraying, but most of the one, if I didn't get a blue one, it was going to need respraying anyway. So I'll do that at some point because it was free, chucked in. So that's what do you reckon I've saved? 100 quid there? Say 100 quid. There you go.
Yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Sorted. MR2 Turbo coming to the back road soon, TM.
Next year probably.
Next year. It's not gonna happen.
Over winter at least.
Yeah.
We'll keep you entertained for the winter.
Done. Sorted.
Yay. Well everybody, that is it, our very first vlog on the channel. As you can see, I've slightly skipped ahead because I had to get the RAV4 back very quickly before anything else, so I could actually use it to get to work, etc. So I had to get the engine out of the car quickly. There's a few clips of the process because I had to take the gearbox off, which is sat behind me covered up because unfortunately I have to keep it in the garden for now. I'm at my house, but here it is, Marty's new heart with a pacemaker in the form of a turbocharger. Thank you very much everyone for joining us on the video. Progress on the engine is going to be slow and varied. It's going to be a long time until we see it in the car. I just want to set expectations. There's a lot to be done. Next up is a full strip of everything off of here, a full degreasing of everything because it's an oily engine, it's an old engine. Strip it down, take the head off, new head gasket, placing all the seals, probably a refurbishment of the turbocharger, new belts, etc. There's a new water pump to go on it, maybe a new oil pump, new thermostat, blah 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 blah. Loads of stuff to do on it because I want to get this engine right. So I kind of want to do a kind of no cost spared rebuild on it to get it perfect to go into the car. It's going to go into the car stock. I'm not going to try and get any massive power out of the engine before I put it in because I don't know what an MR2 Turbo feels like to drive, let alone a modified one, and it will help for troubleshooting if I just keep everything as stock as I can. So we'll improve on little things here and there, but that's it. Thank you everybody for listening, and please leave a like, comment, share. Let me know what you want to see more from the engine. If there's anything you want to know whilst I'm in the process, I'll do my best to document it because I'm sat at home on the phone rig currently. And yeah, thank you all for listening. Goodbye.